Hello, my name is Mike Oliver. I'm an IBM business partner, and I founded Open for Business Online in 2012, and I founded it on the principles of multi-tenancy and cloud. We started from the beginning as a IBM SmartCloud user, and now we're a reseller. After working for Current Technology as the Chief Technology Officer for several years, and after winning the Cloud Product of the Year award from Tech America in 2012, I wanted to take advantage of the capabilities of that technology and use the new technologies from IBM. The Smart Cloud gave us considerable advantages, both from a perception of the small to medium-sized business market that we were addressing, because IBM has the stature, the reliability, and the scalability to meet their needs and to mitigate their worries about having their data on the cloud. We had experience with other cloud vendors, including Amazon, but we found that their service was not as reliable and their image in the marketplace wasn't as good. So what do? We are a platform as a service. We sell software as a service on a subscription model for ERP, CRM, web content management, and a portal. We offer the IBM SmartCloud infrastructure as a service, where our customers can sign up and use our software, and if they want to deploy their own version of some piece of software or do customization, then we can manage that service for them on the IBM SmartCloud. We're integration as a service. We have an enterprise service bus, and all of our software is integrated on that bus in a service-oriented architecture, so that when someone wants to make a customization, we don't have to rewrite an entire application. We can simply address that change in a service-oriented way. The customization is also enhanced by our own intellectual property, a content-aware event processing system, or a rules engine, and that gives us the ability to have events that come from any of the applications, including the portal, to be mapped to specific event handlers by our context-aware rules engine. That gives us the ability to have customizations that are without any programming at all. We can change the behavior of an event to display a different screen or to do a different calculation on a tenant-by-tenant basis. And we bring all of this with open source software underneath. We use open source software for ERP, CRM, business intelligence and analytics, web content management, and the portal. So what does that mean to our subscribers? Well, clearly, the small to medium-sized business, especially those that don't have any IT expertise or don't want to spend the money to hire anyone for their IT support, it's easy for them to come to our site and with one click sign up and start using the software. That's a significant advantage for the small business. That also means that they can do it for less. The cost of getting started on our service is much lower than having to buy hardware, hire an IT person to support it, install the software, and run it in-house. Our customization is designed from the ground up, and that means that small businesses that don't do things the way the off-the-shelf software does it, they can make changes. And we have bundles for small businesses that include custom portlets and professional services time to help them get set up to do custom rules and custom screens as they need. Because it's based on open source, it's also portable. If they don't like our service for some reason, or they want to move it to their own cloud, or they're growing so fast they want to host it themselves, they can do that and they don't have any penalty. There's no proprietary API or anything that they have to purchase from us. It's all open source. And our integration platform on the Enterprise Service Bus is based on the idea of being able to integrate not only the applications that we have, but external applications as well. So if you decide to use our software for ERP and business intelligence and analytics, that's perfectly fine if you want to integrate that with Salesforce.com and not use our CRM. So how do we do that? The key is that we start with the IBM SmartCloud. As I said, we looked at a number of other technologies, including Amazon, and the IBM SmartCloud, especially now with the IBM application services that they offer with SmartCloud Plus, we're able to deploy software, upgrade the software, scale up or scale down, and we can do it easily without any sophisticated IT staff of our own. So we have a very small support staff because that's all we need. We use true multi-tenancy from Current Technology, my former company. That technology allows us to convert any software, any web-based application, to true multi-tenancy. That allows us to run multiple tenants on a single IBM SmartCloud instance. Very cost-effective. It also means that we have less overhead and we can pass those savings on to our customers. We're not reinventing the wheel. We're not building software from the ground up. We're using open source software because it's high quality, it's highly reliable, and it's low cost. Some of that software also has upgrade to commercial versions. If you need commercial support or you want to have the higher level service level agreements, we can take your data from the community edition, open source, and upgrade it to the licensed version anytime. We also add our own context-aware rules engine to give us control over the event processing. We put it all into a portal and run it all on top of our enterprise service bus. I think the key, though, is that we partner with the people that have the know-how and have the reputation to do what they do best. We use the IBM SmartCloud for hosting in the cloud and for the application services that it provides. We use WorkExpress for rapid application development and deployment onto the SmartCloud. And we have partners that are domain experts in ERP, CRM, business intelligence and analytics, and the portal. Who are our subscribers? Our target market is the small to medium-sized business with less than significant IT support. They are the ones that need the most help, and they're the least served market, and because they're small, they don't have the budgets to either do outsourcing of what they need, so they tend to try and make their processes work according to the software they can afford to buy. But we can serve any size enterprise. One of our tenants is a $2.2 billion a year company, and they're using our software for a particular need, but because it's easy to customize and extend, it fits well with their needs. We also serve independent software developers and domain experts that want to build applications for a particular vertical market or domain, and because of our platform, they can do that easily and cost effectively and sell to that same small to medium-sized business marketplace. Our partners handle professional services for doing customizations, and we have a number of business process outsourcing companies that not only use our software because of its customizability for their own operations, but they can resell to small businesses that can also use ours. This is a IBM case study. It's going to be published on DeveloperWorks shortly, and it talks about the same thing that I've been talking about, and you should have this available shortly. If you have any questions, just go to O4BO.com and click on the links for Contact Us or give me a call. And you can also sign up for a demo there and see exactly what it is we do. Thank you very much.